Starting an e-commerce business couldn't be easier. The process may seem overwhelming, but with the right steps, it's a matter of minutes. Follow these 5 steps, and you're set for success. Step 1. Find product opportunities and choose what to sell. Start by identifying what products you want to sell directly to consumers. Look for gaps in the market or emerging trends that align with your interests and expertise. For example, if you're passionate about sustainability, consider selling eco-friendly products. Step 2. Find and validate winning products. Thoroughly research your competition and validate your product ideas. Use tools like Google Trends, surveys, and social media posts to ensure there's a demand for your product. Step 3. Write a business plan. A solid business plan outlines your business goals, target market, competition analysis, and marketing strategy. This roadmap will help you in the long run. Step 4. Choose a logo and name, and set up your online store. Choose a memorable name and design a professional logo. Then, set up your online store using Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Step 5. Choose your shipping strategy and set sales and marketing goals. Determine your shipping options to balance cost and speed. Set clear sales and marketing goals to track your progress and adjust strategies as needed. For example, offer free shipping for orders over a certain amount to encourage larger purchases. With these steps, you're ready to launch your first e-commerce business. Remember, persistence and adaptability are key. Need to translate product descriptions and maintain your design? Try ImageTranslate. Our tool helps you easily translate text on images while keeping your design intact, making your e-commerce store accessible to a global audience. Visit our website to learn more.